Picture this: one ship, longer than the Empire State Building is tall, wedged across a narrow waterway, and the world's trade comes to a halt. In March 2021, the Ever Given, a massive container ship, ran aground in the Suez Canal, one of the busiest trade arteries on Earth. Within minutes, the canal was blocked. Within hours, global commerce was bleeding money. The Suez handles about 12% of world trade. Oil, food, electronics, cars all flow through this 193-kilometer shortcut between Asia and Europe. With Ever Given stuck, more than 400 ships piled up at both ends, unable to pass. Every single day of blockage cost the world an estimated $9 to $10 billion. Oil prices jumped. Supply chains cracked. Factories slowed. Even toilet paper shipments were delayed. And the cause wasn't just human error. A sudden sandstorm combined with 40-knot winds pushed the ship off course, wedging it sideways in the canal. At one point, nearly 12% of the world's oil trade was stranded on the water, waiting for release. For 6 days, tugboats and dredgers fought to free the vessel. Engineers scraped away sand, tides rose and fell, and the world watched as billions hung in the balance. Finally, on March 29, the Ever Given was refloated and the canal reopened. The incident was more than a shipping accident. It was a reminder of how fragile global trade really is. One ship, one mistake, and the gears of the world economy grind to a halt. So the next time you order something online, remember, it might have traveled through the Suez Canal, where a single ship once blocked $10 billion a day. That's today's fact. Smash the like button, subscribe to 1 Minute Facts, and tell us in the comments, what's the most surprising thing you think was stuck behind the Ever Given?